See children, now we are going to study some word problems in this exercise. Some word problems are there in this exercise. See here in the section C, second problem. What is that second problem? In an election, candidate A got 3,642 votes less than candidate B. If candidate B got 3,85,642 votes, how many votes did candidate A get? That is the question. In this problem, candidate B, how many votes got by the candidate B? Clearly it is there, see. If candidate B got 3,85,642 votes, that much of votes got by candidate B. That is the first step we take here. Votes got by candidate B is equal to 3,85,640. Okay, so votes got or secured also we can use. Votes got by candidate A. Votes got by candidate A. How many votes? Candidate B. First of all, we mention B. Okay, children. Votes got by candidate B. How many votes secured by B here? 3,85,642. Okay, 3,85,642 votes got by candidate B. Now come to A. About A, what he mentioned in the problem, candidate A got 3,642 votes less, that much of votes less he got than candidate B. So, less number of votes, so how many he got? 3,642 votes less. So, less votes, here number of also you can write. Number of less votes A got is equal to 3,642. So, 3,642 less votes A got. So, now votes got by A, to get this, we subtract 3,642, okay, from 3,85,640. Because less he got now. The problem he told A got this much of votes less than candidate B. This much of votes he got less. So, to know the votes secured by the candidate A, what we have to do? That less votes we have to subtract from 3,85,640. So, here what we write here, votes, number of votes got by A is equal to, we subtract 3,642 from 3,85,640. From that we subtract 3,642. Why we are subtracting 3,642? Because here A is getting 3,642 less votes than the candidate B. That's why 3,642 we subtract. If we subtract 3,642 From B, we can get the votes secured by A. So do the subtraction now. Show the subtraction. In the margin, we can show the subtraction. Okay, see, 3 lakhs 85,642. From this we subtract 3,642 according to the place values. According to the place values, places, we write the numbers and subtract. Minus, subtract. See children here. First of all, show the subtraction in the units place. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now here, 5 minus 3, 2. Under 8, no number. That's why 8 only has to is right. Under 3 also here, no number. That's why 3 has to. That means 3 lakhs 82,000. 3 lakhs 82,000. Okay, children. So, how many votes secured by candidate A is equal to what you have to say? 3 lakhs 82,000. 3 lakhs 82,000. Okay, like this we solve the problem. Now come to this. What is the fourth problem here? 70,000 copies of a book have to be printed and bound. In a week, 34,560 books were completed. How many are left? So in this problem, how many copies of a book have to be printed and bound? This much of copies, 70,000 copies, okay, ordered. How many copies were ordered? 70,000 copies of a book, okay, have to be printed. Order is given for 70,000 copies. But what happened here? In a week, 34,560 books were completed. Only 34,560 books only completed. Remaining books not completed, not printed and not bound. How many are left? So, we should do subtraction. Completed copies we subtract. How many copies were completed? If we subtract that one from 70,000, then we get how many are left. So here, order is given for 70,000 copies. So, order given for 70,000. Order given for 70,000. 70,000 copies have to be printed. Okay, this much of copies were ordered. Order given for 70,000 copies. Order given for 70,000. Okay. 70,000 copies. But how many books were completed? Only 34,560 books only were printed. So, number next to in a week, 34,560 completed books. In a week, completed books. How many books were completed here? 34,560. 560. Only these books were completed. So, books left. How many books were left? So, books left is equal to books left. Books left is equal to subtract. Okay, 70,000 minus 34,560. 34,560. So, did you all understand, children? The order is given for how many books here? 70,000 books. Order given for 70,000 books. But only how many books were completed? 34,560 books only completed in a week. Still, how many books are left over? So, to find this, what we do here? We do subtraction. The completed copies we subtract from the ordered copies. That means 70,000 minus 34,560. Now we show the subtraction in the margin. Okay. Subtraction. 70,000 minus 34,560. Subtract. Okay. Then, here 0 minus 0, 0. This is 1's place, this is 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000's place. Units 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Subtraction. So 0 minus 0, 0. Now come to 10's place. Can you subtract 6 from 0? No. We cannot subtract 6 from 0. How the 0 can give borrow? 0, it cannot give borrow. That's why the borrow we can get from this 7. From this 7 we can get a borrow. That means 7 is giving borrow to all the remaining, that means to the, here for all these zeros, so 7 can give the borrow. Zeros cannot give borrow. That's why we are getting borrow from 7. So 7 becomes here, 7 becomes 6. 7 becomes 6. Here, first of all, we are asking borrow. Borrow means here 10. Here 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here we get 0 becomes 9. Here 0 becomes 9. 7 becomes 6. 7 becomes 6. Once again see here 0 minus 0, 0. Here 6 cannot be subtracted from 0. That's why here we are taking borrow from the before place. That's why here borrow means 10. That's why here we write 10 here. Okay. And above the zeros we write 9. Why? Because here we are taking borrow, that's why 9s we write here. From 7 we got borrow. That's why here 7 becomes 6. Now you see here. Okay. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 9 minus 5, 4. Here 9 minus 4, 5. Here 6 is there, 6 minus 3, 3. 35,000. How much? 35,440. So 35,440 books left. Still, the company has to produce 35,440 copies. Okay, children, in this problem, actually order is given for 70,000 copies, but the company completed only 34,560 books only. How many are left means here we have to show the subtraction. That's why from 70,000, 34,560 is subtracted. I showed the subtraction here. This is the borrowing subtraction. After subtraction, how much we got? 35,440. 35,440. This much of copies, still the company has to be prepared. Okay, the company has to be produce 35,440 books. Okay, like this we solve the working problem. Now we go to one more working sum.